Hi, have you ever felt that your marketing efforts don't receive return on investment? Well, you're not alone. A lot of businesses that actually approach us are very frustrated that they aren't receiving return on investment on their marketing efforts. So they're spending thousands of pounds and they are getting no return or measurable results. Well, what we did is we created an ROI calculator, and I'm going to take you through a brief demonstration of it. So this demonstration is based on a campaign that we are running. We're trying to get people to book an audit. So we are running an advertising campaign. From the advert, 977 people visited the landing page. 20 people filled out the form on the page. Once we spoke to them, 9 people booked an audit. And from the 9 people that booked an audit, 2 became customers. So now I understand other elements in terms to measure, which is click-through rate and leads to customers. So I can use that as a benchmark further down the line. I then understood that we spent £1,000 on the advertising campaign. And again, from this, I understand measurable benchmarks of what is working and what's not. And from that revenue from the 2 customers, we achieved £2,560, which is 156% return on investment. And if you had more than one sale, so if this became a retainer rather than just a project, you could increase the number of orders, which then increases the return on investment. So feel free to play with this return on investment calculator, try out different numbers, try out different campaigns that you're currently running, and tell me how you are using it and if it's benefiting you.